hey guys, this is my vlog. So welcome to my channel. So guys, nandito po ako ngayon sa isang studio dito sa Metro Manila sa may Pasig City. So this is our main.
Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Cruz and you're tuned into my YouTube channel. So welcome back to another video. I think I have lipstick on my teeth. Welcome back to another video, guys. If you are new to the channel and it's your first time tuning in, hey, my name is Cruz and I am from Cebu. I hope you join the family by clicking the subscribe button down below, and you can also click the bell button beside the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a video. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you this very colorful, very bold and bright makeup look, and this makeup look was inspired by a picture that I found on Pinterest. So let me just look that up. Okay, so this is the picture that I found on Pinterest, and I absolutely loved how this eye is just so it's just really nice. So I wanted to make it on my own and see if I can actually do it and test my makeup skills, and I think it turned out fine. The only difference is that I didn't put any color underneath the eye because I'm not a big fan of that entire look. I think it just makes my eyes look small, and that's not the look that I'm trying to go for. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look right here, then please keep on watching. So for this tutorial, I'm actually going to be starting out with my eyeshadow first and all of my eye makeup, because I know for a fact that if I start with my face makeup first, there will be a lot of fallout from the eyeshadow and it's gonna ruin the foundation, the concealer, and everything underneath. So let's just try to stay away from all the mess. So I'm gonna be starting out with my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using this product right here. This is the Maybelline Fashion Brow in the shade Light Brown. So you guys probably thought I was gonna say dark brown. No, girl, I'm using the light brown for today's tutorial because I don't know, I just felt like it, I guess. So I'm just gonna be following my natural brow. And if you guys see tiny hairs under my eyebrows, I really tried my best to shave all that, because I have not tried how do you say that, the threading, because I know that it hurts. People said it hurts, so I'm not gonna try it. Alright, so now we're gonna begin with the eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow base, I'm actually gonna be using this Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium, and I'm gonna be using this as my primer for the eyes because it's a lot thicker than a usual eye primer, and I also want the colors to pop out a little bit more. I'm gonna start with carving out my eyebrow. All I'm doing right now is creating a blank canvas for our eyeshadow. This part necessarily does not have to be clean. I'm gonna take my tiny blender and I will just blend and spread the concealer all over the eye. So with the Sleek Ultra Matte V1 palette, I'm gonna take the white shade and this one right here. I'm gonna take it with a flat brush and I'm going to set the concealer. So the only palette that I have that has a lot of colorful shades is the Morphe and James Charles palette. So we're gonna open this up. It's a really big ass palette. Here are the colors inside the palette. You guys have probably seen this already. So the first color I will be taking is it's really dirty, guys. I hope you excuse that. The first color I will be taking will be this color right here, and then I'm also gonna mix it a little bit with this one. So what I'm gonna do is focus that on the crease area right there, and I'm just gonna build it up as I blend it. I'm gonna take this slightly more purple shadow right here, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the dark purple. And I want to go over the previous color that we just placed because I want the color to be a little bit more purple rather than orange. Then with another clean brush, I'm going to take this orange shade without anything else, just this color right here, and I'm going to be blending that on top of the purple eyeshadow. I'm just going to lightly dust that. next color I will take is this yellow shade right here. And again, I'm just gonna go over the previous shade that we applied to create sort of an ombre diffused look. So I'm just going to be intensifying the colors even more just by adding more shadow. And then right after that, I'm going to be cutting the crease area with a concealer. And then we're going to be moving on to the next step. With the same yellow shade from the James Charles palette, I'm going to be putting that on the first half of our eyes. Then I'm going to take the same orange shade that we used earlier and I'm going to apply that on the center of our eyes. I'm going to make it blend with the yellow. I hope you guys can see this. So I'm going to take a dark purple and I'm going to put that on the outer third of my eye. I'm going to make that connect with the crease that we placed earlier. So this is how our eyeshadow looks right now, but we're not yet done. I'm going to make the colors even more bold and bright. So I'm just going to, how do you say this, touch up on some of the colors and then I'll be right back. So I'm going to take a clean makeup wipe and I'm going to just clean up my eyeshadow. And then now I'm going to take my eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner and I'm going to create kind of like a thick wing. Buy more lashes, but this is from the brand called Yuan. This is a very cheap and good brand for makeup artists. For mascara, I'm gonna be using this one by Happy Skin, and I am just going to blend my real lashes and my falsies. So I'm gonna start with my face makeup now, and I'm just applying these drops from Makeup Forever. And what this does is that it hydrates the skin. This is really good for those of you guys who have dry skin. I'm going to be applying another primer and I'm only putting this on areas where I have big pores. So that's the nose area and a little bit on the T-zone. For foundation, I will be using this L'Oreal True Match Satin Smooth Liquid Foundation in the shade G6. And I will just dot that all over my face. For concealer, I'm going to be taking this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. And I am just going to highlight my under eye area. I'm also going to take a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape and just put that on the under eye area to have a little bit more coverage. And then I'm gonna blend it again with the same blender that we used earlier. With my Nichido Final Powder, I'm just going to set or bake the highlighted areas. So while that is baking, I'm going to bronze my face with the BLK, what's this? The BLK Contour Blush and Highlight in the shade called Flush. I'm using an angled fluffy brush for this. I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm just going to wipe away the bake because I think we already left that for a long time. So for blush, I'm gonna take this color from, this is the Nadine Lustre collection with BYS, and this is in the shade Peach. So I'm just gonna use a tiny bit just to add some color to the cheek area. Then with my Wet n Wild highlight in the shade Precious Petals, I'm just going to lightly put that on my cheekbone area, a little bit on my Cupid's bow, the chin, the tip of my nose. So to finish off the eyes, I'm actually not a big fan of color under my eyes, like in the waterline area. I don't know, it just doesn't suit me, I think. So I'm just gonna take the same mascara and apply that to my bottom lashes. For my lips, I'm gonna start out with a lip liner. This is the Chris Aquino Matte Lip Liner in the shade called... what shade is this? I have no idea what shade this is. Oh, here. In the shade called Loyal. It's in the bottom area. It's so small. I'm just going to line my lips. So with the Sunny's Face lipstick in the shade called Nudist, I'm just gonna go over the lip liner. I'm gonna take my only lip gloss in the world. This is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the center and just blend it out with my fingers. That is it for the video. If you want me to do more bold, bright eyeshadow looks like this one, then please give this video a big thumbs up down below, and also comment in the comment section if you have more video suggestions for me to do. And everything you need will be in the info box down below, like my social media. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, then my Instagram is right here. Just right here. Thank you so much to whoever created this makeup look. I'll try to find the owner of the photo, but yeah, thank you so much for creating that look. And honestly, at first I was kind of like 50-50 about the entire look, because you know, it kind of looked in the first part, but when I finished everything, I absolutely love how everything turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy and recreate this too. If you do recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And I have lipstick in my teeth. When did that happen? So I guess that is it. I hope you guys subscribe to the family, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!